Yeah, true. You know, I like the praise and worship time.
Yeah.
And please don't forget to switch off your phone. You still remember what happened in church.
Yeah, the pastor gave me that alert.
Yeah.
To never come back.
And please, I beg you, don't. I was really ashamed.
Hey girls, can you please help me with money for food?
How are you, my brother?
Excuse. Can't you see what is wearing?
Please don't say that. To God, we are all equal. And my brother, what I will do is I'll go buy you food and then you can go together to church.
Eh? Go where? You want to take him to church? Everyone's gonna run away just by the sight of him.
It's okay, my sister. I don't want to finish brothers.
No, don't mind her. Don't mind her. To God, a soul is a soul. And I tell you, today there shall be joy in heaven if you make a choice and follow Christ.
Ha! I didn't know you associated with such disgusting people.
No. God came to save us all. He didn't come to save the rich or the good looking. Luke 4 verse 18 says that the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. He has anointed me to preach good